Have you ever wondered how a telescope actually works? Well, first, what is a telescope and what do they do? A telescope is an amazing device that has the ability to make faraway objects appear closer. They use curved mirrors to gather light from the night sky. These mirrors are called lenses. The larger lens gathers and bends light while the small lens magnifies and focuses light for your eyes. In 1609 a scientist named Galileo Galilei was using a telescope that he made to observe the sky. Galileo was born in Italy in 1564. His father had plans for him to be a doctor, but Galileo wanted to work with mathematics. Galileo was later interested in astronomy and telescopes. He built his very own telescope to help him study the sky. Galileo was the very first person to look at the moon through a telescope. He first discovered that the moon had mountains like Earth, which meant that the moon's surface was not smooth as had been thought. It was rough and uneven. In 1610 he discovered that Jupiter had 4 moons revolving around it. He also found that the telescope showed many more stars than what we can see with only our eyes. Galileo discovered the puzzling appearance of Saturn, showing the ring surrounding it. He also discovered that Venus goes through phases just as the moon does. The moon's mountainous surface, the moons of Jupiter, and the phases of Venus showed that there had to be more than one center of motion in the universe and that the planets revolve around the sun. This led to him discovering that the sun is the center of the universe and that Earth is a planet. Galileo published a book in 1610 called The Starry Messenger that describes his observations about the solar system and says that the Earth orbited the Sun. Galileo's discoveries about the solar system and improvements on telescopes have helped further our understanding of the world we live in and the universe around us.